In this video, we dive into the fascinating world of creativity and explore a mystery that has puzzled illustrators worldwide. Why do many artists seem to stop evolving? Some of the biggest names in various art forms seem to hit a plateau at some point in their careers, where innovation and originality give way to repetition and comfort. But what causes this to happen? Join me on this journey that promises to reveal surprising insights into creative stagnation and the eternal challenge of staying relevant in a world filled with increasingly frequent novelties. So, if this video helps you, subscribe to the channel and leave your like. By doing so, you're not only telling YouTube that you liked my channel, but you're also telling the algorithm that you're interested in this type of content, so it will end up recommending other creators who produce similar content to you. The pressure for commercial success is an unavoidable reality in the artistic world, shaping the trajectories of countless creators. At the beginning of their careers, artists navigate an ocean of possibilities. This initial phase is marked by almost unlimited freedom, allowing experimentation without the weight of external expectations. However, as success comes knocking, it brings a new set of challenges that can deeply affect an artist's creative evolution. Commercial success, although desired, can become a prison. As an artist gains recognition and their work finds a wider audience, expectations grow exponentially. The market can exert immense pressure to maintain the success formula. This pressure is manifested not only in the demands of the audience but also in those of sponsors, record labels, galleries, and other institutions that play a role in an artist's career. The need to meet these expectations often puts the artist in a cycle of repetition, where innovation is sacrificed in the name of predictability and financial return. Moreover, the constant demand for production within the established success parameters can lead to burnout. The need to constantly generate works that align with commercial expectations can drain an artist's creative energy, leaving little room for exploration and discovery. This exhaustion not only hinders artistic evolution but can also deeply affect the emotional and psychological well-being of the creator. However, it is possible for artists to navigate this challenging scenario and maintain their creative integrity. Some artists choose to establish side projects or use pseudonyms to explore new creative directions, allowing them to experiment without the limitations imposed by their established brands. Others may consciously decide to step away from market expectations to redefine their creative path, even if it means facing financial uncertainties. The key to overcoming commercial success pressure lies in the artist's ability to remain true to their vision and values, seeking a healthy balance between recognition and creative authenticity. By facing external expectations and demands with a firm stance and an unwavering commitment to personal evolution, artists can continue to grow and develop, regardless of pressures to conform. Creative isolation often stems from an artist's desire to maintain the integrity of their vision and avoid external influences. While this may initially seem beneficial, creating a pure space for individual expression, it can have counterproductive effects in the long term. Without new stimuli, ideas, and challenges, creative development can stagnate, limiting opportunities for innovation and personal growth. This isolation not only restricts access to new inspirations but also diminishes the artist's ability to receive valuable feedback that could propel their evolution. The exchange of ideas and collaboration with other artists are essential for challenging and expanding artistic horizons. Interaction within creative communities offers a wealth of opportunities for learning and discovery. By exposing themselves to different styles, techniques, and artistic philosophies, artists can find new ways to approach their work, incorporating elements they would never have considered in isolation. Moreover, observing how others navigate creative and technical challenges can provide innovative solutions for their own impasses, enriching their repertoire and practice. Furthermore, engaging in varied cultural experiences, such as exhibitions, plays, concerts, and readings, can serve as a rich source of inspiration. Such experiences broaden an artist's understanding of different forms of expression and communication, encouraging experimentation with new methods and concepts. This type of cultural exposure can revitalize artistic practice, providing new themes, techniques, and perspectives that can be integrated into future works. However, overcoming creative isolation requires an openness and vulnerability that many artists may find challenging. Admitting the need for growth and the possibility of change is an essential step. Building and maintaining connections within a creative community demands conscious and continuous effort. The development of a personal brand in the artistic world is an increasingly common and valued phenomenon, especially in the digital age, where an artist's visual and conceptual identity can be the difference in a sea of artists. A strong brand can attract followers, establish market presence, and ensure audience loyalty. However, this same brand, when it becomes overly rigid or defined, can act as a cage for creativity, imposing limits on what the artist can explore or create without fearing the loss of recognition or support. As an artist begins to be recognized for certain themes, styles, or approaches, there is an expectation for them to continue producing similar works. This expectation can come not only from fans but also from galleries, publishers, and agents who see the brand as a form of marketable product. In this context, the fear of losing an established fan base or risking commercial opportunities can lead the artist to avoid deviations from what is considered their signature. This cycle can be particularly challenging for mid-career artists who have established a brand and feel the pressure to stay relevant and commercially viable. The need to innovate within the confines of a known identity can be a source of stress and anxiety, limiting the ability to experiment and the potential for artistic growth. The brand, which initially serves as a means to distinguish the artist and connect with an audience, can paradoxically become an impediment to genuine expression and creative exploration. However, it is possible for artists to find a balance between brand consistency and creative freedom. One approach is to gradually expand the brand's boundaries, introducing new elements or exploring new themes in a way that connects with the established style but also offers something new and unexpected. This process can help shape audience expectations in a way that they accept and even anticipate the artist's evolution. Moreover, transparent and authentic communication with the audience can facilitate this transition, allowing artists to share their creative journeys, challenges, and intentions behind new directions. Engaging the audience in the creative process, whether through social media platforms, blogs, or exhibitions, can create a support base that is loyal not just to the work, but to the artist as an individual in constant evolution. The lack of continuous study and abandonment of personal development are significant barriers that can prevent an artist from reaching new heights in their creative journey. At the root of this issue lies a contentment within a context that prevents the artist from seeking new knowledge or skills. This stagnation in learning can be particularly limiting in fields that are constantly evolving, such as visual arts, music, literature, and design, where new techniques, technologies, and perspectives regularly emerge. Continuous education, whether formal or informal, is essential not only for acquiring new skills but also for revitalizing the passion and curiosity that initially drive creativity. Exposure to new concepts and practicing new techniques can reignite the creative flame, inspiring new ideas and approaches. Additionally, continuous learning promotes a growth mindset, a belief in the ability to develop talents and intelligence through dedication and hard work. However, many artists face obstacles on their path to continuous learning. This may be due to time limitations, financial resources, or even a lack of awareness of the importance of continuing to study. In some cases, there may be internal resistance based on fear of change or insecurity about leaving a well-established comfort zone. These barriers, however, can be overcome by seeking accessible resources, such as free online courses, tutorials, webinars, and practice communities, which offer flexible and low-cost learning opportunities. Establishing a learning routine, even if it's dedicating a small period each day or week to exploring new knowledge, can make a significant difference in long-term development. Collaboration with other artists and participation in creative communities are also valuable aspects of continuous learning. These interactions not only provide new perspectives and feedback but can also offer support and motivation. Exchanging knowledge and experiences with others can open doors to new learning and inspiration opportunities, reinforcing the importance of community in an artist's creative journey. Thank you for staying with me this far. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave your like. Leave in the comments if you've ever felt that you stopped evolving in drawing.
Wait! The video isn't over yet. Do you want to learn digital art or take your skills to the next level? You need to check out Art School for Digital Artists. Professor Marc Brunet has been a professional artist for many years, including working at major companies like Blizzard Entertainment, and now he teaches art for a living. Art schools can be extremely expensive, or they might not even exist where you live. With that in mind, in this training, you will get a curriculum similar to traditional art colleges, but with better classes and for a fraction of the price. There are over 100 hours of amazing content, plus a dedicated Discord server for students to share their progress and help you achieve your goals, whether they are professional or just for a hobby. Click on the first link in the description. Join thousands of students and start your evolution now.